I just got this sea bass and today I'm just going to try to descale it and fillet it. Let's see. So because of it came in this bag and I just don't want the scale to go everywhere, so I'm just going to attempt to descale it in the bag. I just found this in my drawer. I didn't know that I got it. Because of the girl that sold this fish to me said that I could probably do it with the butter knife. I doubt it, so we're going to have a go at this. Dry, very slippery. And it does go everywhere. Oh, that hurt. Right, stay away from this thing here. Ouch. Told you, I'm not doing this often. Good idea, wear gloves. Running water. I've been told to look at how fresh the fish is, and like look in the eye and it's clear. I'm just going to get this out first because look at that, sharp. So we're going to get that out first. We're not going to have that anyway. This as well, just in case it stab me again. Bye bye. So now we're going to try to get the gut out. Right, we got the gut out and now we're going to fillet it. I haven't done this very often at all, and I'm just trying to get the practice in, so when we go travel on the boat, I can do it then. Okay, so I remember that I have to cut this toward the head. On both sides, under the, is it the gill? Is that, yeah. I'm not a specialist by all means. This is just try to do things ourselves. So don't laugh at me, please. Just bear with me. And I think we're supposed to do it from the back, yeah? So we got the fillet of sea bass, but I'm going to cut it into pieces that size that I want for our dish. We're going to pan fry. So now we're going to do the green curry, pea green curry to go with our sea bass. So I just boiled pea with green curry paste and coconut milk. So this is our green pea. green curry with coconut milk, and I'm preparing the carrots to go with our fish as well. Will be carrot and kale. I'm just going to season a bit of our sea bass with a bit of salt and pepper. To cook sea bass, it doesn't take long at all, so keep an eye on it, probably a couple minutes each side, and then be done. Yeah, when you cook fish, you don't want it to be like sort of overheated, just like nice, gentle. Unless you do like sort of deep fry, then you need the oil to be like boiling. But for now, just gentle heat. Put the skin side down first. So it's going to be yummy. You can see the color of the fish changing. So it became white instead of opaque. And now time to flip. Ready. Ooh. And we're going to use 2 pieces there. Rice. Ooh, hot rice. Carrot down. Nice color. Healthy kale. And there you are, green curry sea bass, Pookie style.